everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm planning to propagate one of my monstera with Denmark. So this plant is actually the plant that I've been growing by myself, but as you see, it's foliage by foliage it's become too long and a little bit laggy, doesn't have enough strength to stand by itself. In that case, actually what I can do is I can put the moose pole or totem there and then tie up the monster so it can be start to climbing up. But I kind of feel like this one is like, even though I tied up, it has been stretched too much, so eventually it's not gonna be really pretty shape. So I decided to use that Monstera foliage to propagate. For that, definitely I need a scissor for cutting the stem about there. Sharp cut. Like that. The water with a clean one. I just changed the water with clean water. Now literally all you need to do is just put the cutting in the water. I change the water once a week. If you place that monstera cutting in a bright room which gets literally light, then it will really encourage to rooting out. And once root is a little bit more longer, then it's probably ready to put in a soil. That's pretty much everything for monstera propagation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later.